Hi, it's Pete Walters. I'm back here in Turkey. 3 months have gone really quickly. The temporary teeth I had fitted have been no issue whatsoever. I actually had 4 implants at the top of my mouth and I had 2 at the bottom. No issues. I've been eating, nothing, no problems whatsoever. So here I am back again. I now have my permanent teeth. Now look at these shine. I love them. I would recommend coming to this clinic to everyone. What have you got to lose? Nothing. What have you got to gain? A smile.